Dark lipstick shades for dusky skin.
Dusky skin plus dark lipstick equals unstoppable beauty. If you've been scared to try bold, dark shades, this video will change everything because these lipstick colors will make dusky skin glow like magic. And hey, subscribe now for more beauty secrets every girl needs. Number 1, Deep Wine Burgundy. This shade gives rich, classy queen energy, perfect for parties, dinners, and glam makeup looks. It makes dusky skin look luxurious and super elegant. Number 2, Chocolate Brown. Brown lips are a total obsession right now. This shade blends beautifully with dusky skin and gives that soft model look instantly, perfect for everyday glam. Number 3, Dark Plum Purple. Want a bold, confident look? This is the shade. Dark plum adds drama and makes your makeup stand out without looking too harsh.
Number 4, Brick Red.
Not too bright. It's not too dark. Just perfect brick red warms up dusky skin beautifully and gives a powerful, attractive vibe.
Number 5, Espresso Nude.
This deep nude shade is smooth, trendy, and super aesthetic. It's perfect for clean girl makeup, soft glam, and casual looks. Which dark lipstick shade are you trying first? Comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more Beauty Globe videos.